just have to tell me kung sino yung character na feeling nyo mas fit sa description that we're giving.
Most likely to lie, Stella or Vincent? Stella.
Stella.
I think it's more Vincent. Mas si Vincent talaga.
Most likely to sacrifice.
Stella. Kasi sinacrifice niya na yung body niya para...
As a selfless sister.
Yes, as a selfless sister sa kanyang mga siblings. Kasi wala silang magulang.
Parang wala pang mas greater sacrifice.
Yun na yun eh. So Stella.
Stella.
So Stella wins this round.
Most likely to cheat,
Kim. Ay, Stella.
Wow, personalan. Parang show pa ba to? Show pa ba to?
sobra naman. Parang walang cheater between Stella or Vincent.
Like cheat the system.
Vincent.
Oh,
It's probably my character,
Vincent.
Vincent.
most likely to stand up for what is right.
Stella.
Let me think.
Dami
Vincent.
kasi pinoprotektahan ni Vincent. Here and there, here and there. Si Stella, wala naman siyang, wala nga mawawala. Nasa trailer yun.
Yun, wala
namang mawawala sa akin.
Pero sa pamilya niyo.
Yeah, I love it, memorize.
Of course, most likely to fall in love with the wrong person.
Kim. Ay, Stella.
Parang,
Stella. Meron siyang actually love story dito.
so you have to look out for
Yes.
Vincent and Stella's dark romance na magaganap. Dark romance. Mystery.
Yeah. Kaya top 1 ka talaga sa amin.